বন্ধুরা, আমি সুকান্ত. Welcome to my channel Bidesi Bong. In today's video, I want to show you about how to feed a baby lovebird. I have 7 lovebirds. So now out of 7 there are 2 babies. Lovebird is also there. So today's video I will show you how to feed the baby lovebird. Okay, friends, this is Sukanto. Welcome to my channel Bidesi Bong. Once again I'm back with another new video, and today's video is about how to feed our baby lovebirds. Okay, sounds very interesting. Yeah, I do have 7 lovebirds. So out of that I have 2 baby lovebirds. Okay, so now today I will show you how to feed them. Yes, their mothers, they are feeding them, but it's better if you can if you can feed them, then they will grow more quickly. Okay, now I will show you how to feed them. See, this is a formula which I will give them. So it's like a Cerelac. You can say this is Cerelac for these baby birds. So I will show you. This is the formula. Okay, so what I have to do, I have already made this. So just little bit of water, and you put 2 spoon of this formula. Then you have to mix it, and this is a syringe. So I'll show you how to take this. Yeah, you see, this much is sufficient. So you will take this, and then you need to bring the bird. Okay, just hold him, and you will feed like this. See, he is eating. ओके, बंद करो. अभी जो आप लोगों को दिखाएंगे, ये एक बेबी लव बर्ड है. ठीक है, इसको मैंने अंदर से निकाल के अभी बाहर रखा है. तो इसको मुझे अभी खिलाना है. अभी इसको मैं कैसे खिलाता हूँ वही आपको दिखाना है. ठीक है, आई एम फीडिंग हिम. शी इज ईटिंग. This bird, these babies, they love this formula. It's like a Cerelac for this baby. He is enjoying, Hi friends, see, these are my birds. 2 yellow, 2 green. This is one baby, and I hope you can see there are eggs inside. Guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video, like how to feed the baby lovebirds. So if you have baby lovebirds in your home, so I hope this video will help you. So yeah, because I love birds, I hope you all have birds, pet in your home. So I hope my video will help you. So once again, this is Sukanto. Welcome to my channel Bidesi Bong. Those who have not subscribed yet, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. তোমরা যারা এখনো আমার চ্যানেলটা সাবস্ক্রাইব করোনি, প্লিজ সাবস্ক্রাইব করে নাও. এরকম আরো অনেক ভিডিও পেতে